In this video, we will see how to clean all three mirrors and focusing lens of engraving machine. We show you how to clean all three mirrors. First, unscrew left side top plate and top door of machine by Allen key set. To clean mirrors, we need acetone or ethanol or lens cleaning solution, tissues and Allen key. Take some cleaning solution and tissue paper to clean first mirror. Clean second mirror by tissue with acetone. Same way, clean third mirror as shown. This clip is to show cleaning process of focusing lens. Now, to clean focusing lens, remove air pipe. Loose the bolts to remove nozzle pipe and separate nozzle head and nozzle pipe. Clean focus lens by tissue paper with acetone or lens cleaning solution. Assemble nozzle head and nozzle pipe. Tighten screws to fit nozzle and connect air pipe.